We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out. That's because it's time for our weekly segment called Nailed It or Failed It.
That's
so every
right.
week, Angie finds something crafty. We determine whether or not we nailed it or we failed it. What are we doing today?
Well, it's Andrew's first nailed it or failed it, so this is super exciting. So I thought we'd go back to science, since your background is, of course, meteorology and science. But we're not going to be forecasting the weather. We're going to make stuff explode. So goggles on. There you go, my friend.
Thank you.
Trusty goggles from my husband, Zach Sharp, who uses these much more often than we do. So if they're big on your face, that's why. Okay. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make some pop rocks explode. You guys remember pop rocks growing up, right? Aren't these the best?
They're awesome.
And they jump onto the pumpkin train. Look at these are pumpkin.
Oh,
pop
nice.
rocks.
Okay.
Isn't that hilarious? I'm just saying. Everything's
saying.
pumpkin
It
spice,
is.
right?
Tis the season.
Yes. Okay. So what we're going to do is we've got several glasses here, and I put them in this pan in case things start to explode, so it's easier to clean up. In these 3 glasses is a cup of vinegar each. In these 3 glasses, we're going to fill with some pop rocks. There's a couple more packets there if you want to grab them. So, John, just put like half of this packet in your glass and the other half in mine, and then Andrew, just put half of that packet in this one.
Okay, all right.
And I'm going to start getting the baking soda ready, and you're going to want about a half cup of baking soda, and you're going to mix this with the pop rocks. I'm already making a mess today. That's okay. It's just baking soda. All right. So this is going to get mixed in with that, so you can use your spoon there and do that.
Stir that nice and good.
Andrew's going back to school.
I know. There you go,
At
John.
ISU.
As are you.
Not
Yes.
Illinois State. Iowa State.
Iowa State. And then Northern, right, where Eric came from.
Yeah.
Man.
And IU Huskies.
Go Huskies.
Woo. Well, I'm just going to say that one of our special guests coming up is also an Augie grad, just like I am.
You just throw that out there,
Just throwing that out there just because I have to, right, as you know. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do, this is our little volcano here, is we are just going to pour this vinegar, and we're going to put the spoons away. Take your vinegar, and we're going to pour this into our cups.
All right.
You ready to go? Here we go. See what happens.
Oh, nice.
I'm glad I used the pan, right?
Good idea.
So that's one way that pop rocks can make a volcano.
Wow.
Fun, right?
That is awesome.
Cool thing to do with
Totally
the kiddos.
rad.
Totally rad. Thank you, John. Okay, we're going to move this all to the sink. Look how easy this is. And we're going to start on our next
Easy peasy.
experiment. I'm gonna move this off to the side over here. Okay, now we've got these bottles of soda, right? We're gonna go ahead and open these, but don't make them explode. That's not the explosion. John, are you okay?
Yes, I'm all right. Everything's fine. It's fine.
Just like the napkin thing that happened last year. Okay, just gonna open up your Pepsi, but don't make it explode. Make it, Okay, let's open it up like this. You're gonna take those balloons for me, Andrew, and give each of us one of them. And now we're each gonna have a funnel. And what we're gonna do, and we're gonna continue doing this because it might take a little bit of time during the commercial break, is we're gonna take even more pop rocks.
More.
And you two are gonna do the pop rocks. I'm actually gonna do the nerds. And we're gonna test to see which one works best. I don't wanna give away what's going to happen. But during the commercial break, we are gonna be working on filling our balloons with our candy, and then I'll show you what happens right after this break. Plus, we have our special guest here for Cocktail of the Week. We'll have that right after this.